Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be working on the Blackberry Key 2. So with this one here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace the battery. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery on this. If you guys are new to this channel, feel free to like and subscribe and hit the follow button, guys. Follow me for more. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and remove this battery for this Blackberry Key 2. What we got to do is we got to remove this back plate here. So what we'll do is we'll grab our Sesamo and try to find a get in somewhere. Usually I like to work from the bottom, kind of get my Sesamo in there a little bit, try to pop the gap out. After I've done that, I'll go ahead and get my trusty little card, get inside, and kind of just work my way around. Loosen up all the clips that it's clipped on. I'll just slowly go around and pry it out there. As you can see, it's coming up already. I like to use ISO too, just to help break up the adhesive. So we'll just go ahead and slowly work our way around here. Once we get that loose, all we gotta do is just pop it out like this, guys. Okay, so once we get that done, we'll move this out of the way. And we'll go ahead and remove these screws, which are Phillips, which is surprising. Usually the Blackberries, they're Torx screws. But we'll go ahead and remove this. So all these screws are pretty much the same, so you don't really have to worry about mixing them up. And if some of the screws you can't get out, just grab your tweezers and just kind of get underneath there and pop it out. So once we got that off, we'll go ahead and remove this top plate here. Okay. And then we'll go and proceed with removing these screws, because we have to remove this little plate as well, covering the battery. So we'll just go ahead and remove those. So a lot of times the trick to fixing phones is basically figuring out how to get in the phone first. Everything after that, if you have some experience, you will know where everything is. So a lot of these tutorials, I'm just showing you how to get the case open. So we'll grab our pick here. You see we have this cable kind of sitting on this shield. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unplug this and just kind of move it out of the way. That way we don't end up tearing it when we're trying to take this plate off. This plate should just come off just like that. Once we get access to that, we don't actually have to remove the bottom here. So I'll go ahead and put these screws back in. So after you're done finish removing that plate, you're going to want to heat up this battery. There's several methods you can do it. You can use a heat gun or a blow dryer. I do have a heat plate, so what I do is I just lay it on the heat plate and it just warms it up. It takes usually about 20 seconds. So I'll just put that back in there. We'll go ahead and unplug this battery. And I'm going to take this over to the heat plate, warm this up, and I'll be right back. This is our new battery here. The customer brought it in, so I'm just exchanging it for them. When customers usually bring in their own parts, I don't provide warranty with my fixes just because it's not my product. But you can probably get these batteries anywhere, Amazon, eBay. If you're looking to get this done yourself, this video will help you on how to get it done. So we'll go ahead and just wait for this battery to warm up so we can go ahead and replace it. Pretty standard fix. Blackberry Key 2. Like I said, guys, if you guys are new to this, feel free to hit the like and subscribe. So we got the battery all nice and warmed up. As you can see, it is a little swollen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some ISO. I'm just going to try to get it underneath there. And we're going to go ahead and slowly pry this out. Just take your time, pop it up. Get that out of the way. We'll go ahead and C-stuff's still pretty good, so we'll go ahead and apply our new battery in here. I'll go ahead and plug it in. Once we get that plugged in, we can go ahead and get everything put back together. Alright, so once we get that battery in, we'll go ahead and put this plate back on. And then we'll just go ahead and do everything in reverse. Put all the screws back in. It's pretty easy once you fix a couple phones, and once you get inside, it should be pretty basic. So we'll go ahead and lay the rest of these screws in there. So once we get that in, we'll fold this cable back over and plug the contact back in. And we'll go ahead and put our top plate back on. Make sure everything's sitting nice and flush. And we'll go ahead and put these screws back in. Make sure everything's nice and flush. The screwdriver's going a little crazy. That's okay. So all we're doing is just putting all the screws back in. Everything is basically finished. Again, guys, if you guys find this video useful, feel free to hit the like and subscribe. Follow me, guys. I'm coming out with more videos all the time. Oh, what we should do is I'm gonna fix that. Just loosen up. I gotta get these screws back out. These screws actually go on top, so go ahead, get those screws out. So we'll go ahead and properly put these screws back in on the top. Screw the shield back down.
Yeah, I did the ECG and I did the blood work.
So we're basically done, guys. If you guys are still watching this and you found this video informative, feel free to hit the like and subscribe. Smash that follow button, guys. So now we got the screws in. We're gonna put our final one in, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to turn this on. Hopefully there's some life in this. There you go, guys. So we'll wait for it to turn on. Once it turns on and we know that it's functioning, we'll go ahead and put our back cover back on. Blackberry, guys. So there we go. Everything works. Battery's good. So we'll go ahead and put our back plate back on. Since the old adhesive's still on there, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run this B7000 around the phone. This will just help lock the screen back into place. Keep it nice and tight when it dries up. Just run it around there like that. And then we'll go ahead, put a back cover back on. And that's how you replace the battery on a Blackberry Key 2. Make sure all the clips are in. Perfect. Once everything's all nice and clipped in, what we'll do is we'll give that a little wipe, put some tape on it, and lock everything up. But there we go, guys. So we're just gonna let everything dry up and everything should lock back into place. It might look a little ugly now, but we're gonna let it sit there for a bit. And that's it, guys. Blackberry Key 2 battery replacement. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.